guys, what's up? How you doing today? Hope you're having a wonderful, awesome day. Today I'm over at my cousin's house, and as you can see, I'm on a trampoline. Yeah, so I will be doing my vlog over here today, and she has horses and all kinds of good stuff, cows. Okay. Sorry I haven't done a vlog these past couple days. I've just been really sick and just not been feeling it. So yeah, thanks for all the good comments that you all gave me on my last vlog. That was really helpful. And all the likes. And I'm not doing much today. Get away, you stupid chickens. Get. Look at them. Oh, chickens are chasing me, sorry. But yeah, I'm not doing much today. So, yeah. And that'll be the end of today's vlog. Tomorrow, I'll try to get another vlog up. And please leave in the comments if you liked it or not. And please give it a like and subscribe. And see you tomorrow.